Now we are going to look at Avogadro's law. Remember, it states that equal volumes of gases at the same temperature and pressure have the same number of molecules. Now, from that law, we are able to get the formula number of moles equals to the number of molecules over Avogadro's constant. Remember, Avogadro's constant is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. Right. Now we look at the first question. It says, calculate the number of moles given 1.505 times 10 to the power 23 atoms of helium. So you have to calculate the number of moles of helium given that the number of atoms of helium are 1.505 times 10 to the power 23 and divided by Avogadro's constant, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. And if we work it out on our calculator very quickly, we are going to get, you get 0.25 moles. Now we have the second one says calculate the number of moles given 2.404 times 10 to the power 25 molecules of H2O. You're looking for the number of moles of H2O. Formula is N, number of moles equals 2. The number of molecules divided by Avogadro's constant, 2.408 times 10 to the power 25 divided by 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. Let me just work it on the calculator real quickly. We say 2.408 exponent 25 divided by 6.02 exponent 23. You get 40. So that is 40 moles. And the third one says, calculate the number of molecules given 3.01 times 10 to the power 21 molecules of CO. Number of moles of CO equals to, let me just make sure that you know that that is carbon monoxide and not cobalt. NCO equals to N over Na, which is 3.01 10 to the power 21 divided by Avogadro's constant 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. And we get 0.005 mole. Or you can simplify that to 5 times 10 to the power negative 3. And lastly, we have to get the number of moles given 3.612 times 10 to the power 23 molecules of NaCl. Sodium chloride, number of moles of sodium chloride equals to the number of molecules of sodium chloride divided by Avogadro's constant, which is 3.612 times 10 to the power 23 divided by 6.02 times 10 to the power 23, and you get 0.6 moles. And that is all for today. What you need to remember is Avogadro's law, that when you have gases that are having the same amount of volume in the same temperature, having the same pressure, what is going to happen is that the number of molecules of those gases will be the same. And you also need to know that you also have Avogadro's constant, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. And if you are using Avogadro's formula to calculate the number of moles, then you need to be able to remember Avogadro's constant. Of course, most of the time they will give you that in your question paper, but yeah, you just need to know it as a science student. All right, cheers.